You have several numbers or several types of sizes for drills. Now if you have the entire set for all of these categories, you're going to have invested quite a bit of money in all of these different sizes. But you have number sizes, letter sizes, metric sizes, and fractional sizes, and there may be another category that I am unfamiliar with. All right, here is a chart from Travers Tool Company that I got several years ago. Now I want to show the size that I want to drill. Now I want to show the size that I want to drill. Right here it is. 1/4 by 20. Right there above the line. And according to this, the drill size is a number 7. Now you have to go up here and find out what a number 7 is. Okay, here you go. Here's number 7. 201 thousandths. So that's the size we need. Now I'm going to look at some drill bits that I have. Okay, I've marked down the ideal size. Right here's one, 215 thousandths. Now that will probably work because there's only 14 thousandths difference. This is 185 thousandths. You can get bits at the usual lumber stores and home improvement stores, and you have to measure each one because they are all different. Here's one that's 185 thousandths, 175, 180. So this is the closest one right here. And I believe that this one is cobalt, which I may need because I have to drill up here. To this into this hardened area right up here, actually. So now we got to take this drill chuck out of there. So how are you going to get a drill chuck out? Well, first of all, you're going to have to either make one or buy one. This is a drift. It's just a wedged piece of metal. This one's made out of hardenable steel. Just pull your quill down over here on this side, over on the right, and then you have to look in here. You might have to turn the motor on Okay. Now you can see that the drill bit is in there. See if I can make sure you see that. Okay. Now we're going to take this wedge, put it in here like this. You can let go of the quill, get these drill bits out of the way. Take your hammer, hold onto your chuck, just tap it. This one, I've already taken it out, so it came out real easily. Usually you don't have to tap very hard. You have to keep the tapered part clean, because otherwise your drill bit will keep, your drill chuck will keep falling out. Now we're going to have to drill and tap this area right here. Going to take your center punch, don't want a very sharp tip on it. You want to make a center mark. That wasn't too good, I don't think. There. That's fairly good, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, now I've got a 185 thousandths bit in here. Tighten it in 3 places. Tighten it in 3 places because every time you turn this chuck, it makes it a little bit better because you're tightening it in a different spot. Okay, now I got to get it some lighting. Well, that's the problem with cobalt bits. They're very fragile. This is called a through tap. That means the hole goes all the way through. Now if you have a hole that is very shallow, then you call that a blind tap. And this happens to be a through tap. checking to make sure that it's all the way through. Okay, it looks like it is. There we go. I decided to drill this out with this bit here. This is 248 thousandths. And according to the chart that I had, to tap a 5/16 inch hole, you need a bit 257 thousandths. So this is fairly close. That's about as close as I'm going to get it.